Will this do a MiG 15? So, we'll try. Just don't put it in the back side, the hot side. Keep it up in the cool side.
Yeah. I'm sure I'll do something.
And that way it'll be safe for one of your viewers out there in YouTube world, that you'll be able to give it to them come Sun and Fun in April.
Hey guys, what's up? Aircraft behind me. This is the Silver Bullet down here at Jimmy's World. And Jimmy right here is going to hold on to this. This is a DynaVibe Prop Balancer. I'm actually going to be back down here next spring for Sun and Fun. I'm going to let Jimmy take possession of this. This is brand new, still in the bubble wrap. It's actually never even been out of the bubble wrap. And he's going to hold on to it, and he's actually going to utilize it as long as you're okay with that, because this is actually going to be a giveaway. I'm giving this unit away, and it will come with a fresh certification.
You're giving it away to not me, but to one of you out there.
Yes.
In YouTube world.
Yes, exactly. Just to sign up on the update for the channel, and you just follow along with all the cool stuff we're going to be doing. Yeah, it's going to be an awesome piece of equipment. So if you're okay with it, let me know in the comments. I hope so, or I have to.
Well, it's too late now. The videos, by the time you see this, I will have opened it and touched it and probably devalued it a little bit, but it's free.
Yeah, and it's going to be used on the Silver Bullet.
That's right.
And I'm pretty sure
take the plastic off.
Let's take the plastic off.
Ooh,
there we go.
Vanna, tell them what they've won.
Yeah, we gotta see this thing.
And it's at this point where I fumble it. Ooh, is this the first time it's ever been opened?
Never been opened out of the.
Oh yeah, smell it. Oh.
Yeah. So, leave this here, and if you have interest or you know someone interested in dynamic prop balancing, the technology is amazing.
DynaVibe.
All right. Well, I appreciate it, Jimmy, and good luck. If you have any questions, give me a call. I mean,
yeah, no, I appreciate all your help with Cameron. And then we'll get this thing all nice and smooth. We got the blue tarp special that needs some love. And what else? Hot potato.
Yeah.
Will this do a MiG 15?
You can do vibe analysis with a certain attachment. This one is not close to. So
we'll try. Just don't put it in the back side, the hot side. Keep it up in the cool side. Yeah.
I'm sure I'll do something.
Yes.
I don't know if it'll be valuable. But
I will take good care of this. I promise not to break it.
Okay.
Well, I promise I'll do everything I can not to break it.
Okay.
And then that way it'll be safe for one of your viewers out there in YouTube world, that you'll be able to give it to them come Sun and Fun in April.
Yeah. Yep.
Fantastic.
And if you're not here at Sun and Fun, we encourage you to be here. But if you're not, we'll definitely hold it for you. You don't have to be here, obviously, in person to receive it. And Jimmy, you'll be here at Sun and Fun?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'll be there.
Yeah, you'll be here. And, yeah.
It's right there. If you just go that way 7 miles, that's where it's at.
Okay.
So it's a pretty long drive.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
Appreciate
Thanks again.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it.
And I'll let you know, and I'll give you a call when we get there and have some questions and make sure we get it set up right.
Okay. All right. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop those in the comments as well. And there will be a link in the comments and also the description. You can go directly to signing up for this giveaway and the monthly updates. So until next time, be safe, be blessed. I will see you in the next one. Later.